Hey guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today as we skate the Lego rail. Lego. Daniel built this for us. He took this yellow rail and he glued Lego to the top. We did a very fun Lego video with the Rubriculous guys, so you guys can definitely check that out. It was super fun. And now we're gonna skate this rail and see what we can do on this. What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna grind on this?
Possibly. Slide, definitely.
It'll definitely slide, yeah. And do
I've
you
been building up my tricks for this rail.
Have you?
Fetty's literally been waiting months for this video.
He has?
Yeah.
All right. Let's
This
pull
was
it
a roller
over.
coaster. I would have got sent off right away, man. I didn't even make the cut.
Good.
Is that a Lego joke? Did I just miss it?
It looks like when you sit in a
It was a
roller
brick.
It was a joke! All right, let's go.
So you know how he built this, right?
You glued them on there, right?
Oh yeah,
Piece by piece.
but there's a bottom layer too. There's 2 layers.
Oh, really?
So like like when you're building Lego houses and you have that flat piece, he put that at the bottom first, glued that to the rail, and then glued every individual brick to that.
See, the thing when we went to Lego and they built a Lego rail for us, what was cool is the top section could break off. So it would break off and you'd put it back on, which I thought was really rad. All right, let's skate this. First try! Oh! Look at that.
Wow.
Green Lego brick. Daniel broke it! Yeah, boy.
Whoa! That sounded cool though.
Woo! They're not really getting damaged.
Oh no! Yeah, baby! What?
Well, for the most part, it's holding up really well.
3 things. I think we should move it over there, tape it down, and then play a game of skate.
Tape it down, move it over there, play a game of skate.
Yep.
All right, let's go. What is going on here? Is that really what you do? Yeah. This is not gonna work.
It works.
I don't know what you guys think you're doing.
Look, he tapes it upside down.
This is not happening.
Look, Aaron, I know it's a big buildup, but it's gonna work.
So meanwhile they're doing that, let's play rock, paper, scissors for who goes first. All right, Fetty goes first. Those guys go second and third and fourth and
I'll
fifth.
just go out.
So this is what you think is gonna work? Oh wow, that's really to the ground. All right.
You're sarcastic, bro. A rail skate went up on Braille Army yesterday, and he did this and it worked very well.
Okay.
Subscribe to Braille Army.
The thing that's scary is when some pieces come off and then you're skating up to it
Oh, yeah.
and you feel like you're gonna hit them. All right, let's do this.
Wow, Fetty. Aaron, can we pause this game real fast?
Pause.
A lot of people are mad at me in the comments because they say I don't try to get in the videos enough, and I'm seeing you guys do this, and before it gets destroyed, I'd like to get a board slide on it. Is that okay?
Get a board slide. Gabe, board slide, first try, right here, one go. First try!
Thank you, kind sir. Yeah, Nigel! Yeah, Uzi! Yes, you got this.
No!
Man. Hey, you just have to build it up within yourself.
Okay, and commit.
Master builder. sound that makes is so cool.
It's so satisfying.
I think we should leave the Lego bricks there as a landing obstacle, don't you? Make it a little harder.
No. I knew that was gonna happen.
Little restorative repair here. That doesn't count.
Wait, is it my turn? Oh no, it's Carlos on offense. Dang it.
It's all come down to this.
Every board slide trick you've ever learned in your entire life, start. No, I got it. It's one of the most basic rail tricks ever. It's probably one of the first one you learn, but I bet a lot of people don't do it. Boardslide shove, I'm telling you. Like, harness your inner 12-year-old, you guys.
The only reason I can do it is because you taught me that.
Yeah, come on. Do it again. You can do this.
I'm gonna have to call it there.
They're getting kind of butthurt over all my board slide variations. So I'm gonna throw in something. It is a board slide variation, but no, I'm not gonna do a nollie lip. I'm gonna do one that I have probably a 15% chance at landing. How about that? I gotta give Fetty another go before he punches me in the face.
I think you should start like 50% and then start slowly progressing down.
He's at A, T and E, and that's it.
Okay. I don't know why they're mad, dude. That was good.
That was pretty good. I really
really
threw
good.
it out there.
It's been a while since you've done that.
Yeah.
You got this, Nigel.
Yeah, it's been a while.
You sound so sad. Everyone just so salty all the time, man. Oh, you got that.
That's game.
Wish me luck. How dirty should I get? I'll try one more. Hard one. Really hard.
All right.
Oh. Wow. I don't think we'll get another chance to beat him.
That is not what I expected.
How did we not slow-mo that? That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. There's this one piece that still just... Let me just connect it up. Done.
Carlos!
Whoa! That was beautiful.
That was insane. Aaron, you break everything.
Did I almost have it? Did I almost land it?
I don't know.
The actual one that Lego made was way sturdier than this.
Oh!
At this point, it's literally not even on the rail at all. I need to figure out a trick that could be landed on this. Back lip. If I had ever landed that in my entire life, I would do it. Okay, I got it. I figured it out. I love that it's just like a layered carpet mat of Lego. I guess we'd give that to him. If I land this, I'm pretty sure Carlos will get a T. I realized riding up that Daniel wasn't filming. Totally killed me.
Get it together!
Oh no. I've never even tried that trick ever in my entire life.
Really?
Yeah. Mother! Lego everywhere. Where are you going? Just trying to serenade you.
Sorry, I do like that song.
Shut up! If I was judging, I would have rebated that, but you know, I'm not the judge. I'm just the, you know, I'm just here. I knew it. At this point are just gently laying on the rail.
Oh. If you didn't get stuck on that piece, you totally would have landed that.
Also, that 270 sucked. Shut. I won't even attempt that. No way.
Persistence, you can do
No,
that. Yeah.
no.
100%.
Never happening. All right, that was so fun. This Lego rail is done. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we did this really awesome video with Rubriculous. Luke and I flew to Boston and we went to this rad skate park on the East Coast, skated a Lego rail. They had a Lego quarter pipe, which is probably the sickest thing I pretty much have ever seen in my entire life, if you could imagine that. So definitely go check out that video. You guys will have a blast. The link will be right here in this video and in the description below. So a huge thanks to Lego. They are really rad. It was so fun to work with them. Luke and I had an absolute blast. So I think you guys will have a blast watching that video as well. Thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, click that like button, leave a comment below. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.